Welcome. Today, we're diving into Linux access via Centrify. Think of Centrify as a superhero for authentication and access control. It makes your Linux environment secure and organized. We'll break it down step by step, covering authentication, permission management, and role-based controls. Stick with me, I promise it'll be more fun than untangling a pile of cables. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's talk Centrify. It's not just software. It's like having a reliable sidekick that simplifies your enterprise security. Whether it's unifying identities or meeting compliance needs, Centrify keeps things efficient. By the end of this, you'll see why it's a gem, and yes, it'll even make your coffee breaks feel more productive. Now, why choose Centrify for Linux? It's like giving your Linux system a brain and a heart. A centralized controls make management a breeze. An SSO, life-changing, and the integration, smooth as butter on warm toast. Let's uncover why it's worth your attention and maybe even your applause. Before we jump in, let's check our toolkit. A system compatibility, check. Admin access, check. Deconfigurations prepped. And of course, backups. It's like saving your work before painting a masterpiece. These steps might sound dull, but skipping them could result in a tech headache no coffee can fix. Time to roll up our sleeves and get Centrify set up on Linux. Think of it as assembling an IKEA piece: download, configure, and connect. Don't worry, this process has fewer missing screws. By the end, you'll have a Linux system ready to play nicely with a D. Here comes the fun part: authentication and access control. Imagine you're assigning house keys to trusted friends and setting curfews. Centrify lets you define rules and roles precisely. By the end of this, you'll be the master locksmith of your Linux environment, minus the jingling keys. Integration time. Picture Centrify and Active Directory doing a friendly handshake. Sync those user credentials, configure policies, and test it all out. It's like setting up your Linux system with a VIP pass to the AD Club, seamless and secure. Managing user permissions is all about balance. Think of it as setting the thermostat so everyone's happy. Assign roles, set boundaries, and keep an eye on activities to ensure compliance. With Centrify, you're the DJ of the Linux dance floor, and everyone's grooving to the right tune. RBAC, the magic behind organized access. Creating roles is like assigning characters in a play. Each one has its part to perform. Assign responsibilities, define hierarchies, and audit periodically to keep the drama off your Linux stage. The spotlight is on you now. Let's talk MFA, an extra shield of protection. It's like double locking your door before leaving. Enable MFA, set up methods, and educate users on best practices. Once implemented, your Linux system will feel like Fort Knox, impenetrable but user-friendly. Auditing access is like being a detective. Regular log reviews help uncover unusual login patterns. Keep a close eye on privileged accounts. They're like the VIPs of your system. Automate alerts to make monitoring a breeze. Remember, consistent vigilance is key to staying ahead of potential breaches. Troubleshooting can feel like solving a puzzle. Start by identifying the root cause, don't just treat the symptoms. Permissions and authentication errors are common culprits, so double-check those. Document recurring issues to save future you from reinventing the wheel. Think of yourself as a tech superhero. When it comes to Linux access, strong passwords are your first line of defense. Make them uncrackable. SSH keys are like the VIP passes to your system. Keep your software updated and restrict root access to maintain tighter security. Secure Linux access isn't rocket science, it's about smart habits. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about consistency. Role-based access control simplifies assigning permissions. Identity management tools are your best friends for tracking users. Automate provisioning to avoid mistakes and schedule regular access reviews to keep things fresh. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Case studies bring theory to life. Look at success stories for inspiration and learn from failures to avoid missteps. Dive into industry-specific insights that resonate with your field. And most importantly, don't leave empty-handed. Grab those practical takeaways and run with them. The future of access management is exciting. AI is making access smarter, while zero trust flips traditional security on its head. Biometric authentication is becoming mainstream, and privacy regulations are shaping the landscape. Stay ahead of the curve, adapt and innovate. Let's wrap it up. Proactive monitoring keeps you in control, while troubleshooting expertise saves the day. Secure practices lay the foundation, and automation fuels efficiency. Keep pushing boundaries and embrace innovation. You're on the path to access management excellence. Hungry for more knowledge? Dive into best practice guides, explore recommended tools, and check out insightful articles. Community forums are gold mines of wisdom. Connect with peers and share experiences. Keep learning and growing. If it's your turn to shine, ask away. Let's clarify concepts and tackle specific challenges together. No question is too small, so don't hold back. Active participation keeps the session lively and insightful. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.